Hey everyone, Casey here. We're gonna go over Bank of Tron. Um, this one apparently has been around for quite some time. I think April 2019. Here, let's check the contract real quick. I was told that this one's been running forever, and there is a whole lot of Tron in there. Yeah, 130 million Tron, so $2.6 million. So the contract's going to be pretty nuts. They don't even show it, so, and I am perfectly fine with that. Let's see. Yeah, contract creation April 8th, 2019. So it has been running for quite some time, and obviously they don't plan on stopping. So I don't know. Right now we're doing Tron Bank. So basically they have 4 different compensation plans. I am going to put 1,000 coins in each one of these. It's just going to take me a little bit of time to do it because I have 1,000 coins, 1,041 in my wallet. So depending upon how many days you want to go, so dividends every second. This one never ends. Minimum investment is 10 TRX. This one's 4.7% daily for 45 days, giving you 210%, or yeah, 211%. This one is 5.7% for 25 days for 142%, and this one's 6.7% for 18 days for a total return of 120%. So basically what I'm going to do is put 1,000 in each one of these and then just let it ride and see how we're doing. As you can see, I haven't even got my link yet. I'll have it in the description below when I post this video because I haven't put anything in yet, so I'm going to do that on the video. My investments, my dividends so far, it is obviously reliable. It's been up over a year, like 15 months. So apparently mobile, here's the mobile wallets. How they're distributed: technical support is 3%, marketing's 3%, your referrals, the referral program, 3 tiers. All this is pretty basic. I mean, pretty simple, straightforward type of stuff. So I think we're gonna, let's see. I think we'll do the 1,000 in the first one and just work our way down the deal. So 1,000, hit invest. There's my little pop-up. We're gonna hit accept. In the processing. Alright, so I'm assuming they're gonna list it out. So look, there's my already got 0.01 TRX. Heck yeah, I'm gonna be rich. Not really. This is still gonna take a while. So this is still gonna be what, 28 days before you ROI. So this one's a little bit longer to start with. This one's what, less than 18. So 15 days to ROI. So just keep in mind that it's going to take longer for more return overall, or shorter to get a little bit less return. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If y'all, I don't know why that's doing that. That's kind of weird. Referral rewards 5. I signed up under somebody else, so I don't know why it's doing that. Interesting. Maybe it just gave me 5 for signing up. 1,000. Oh, right there, the invitee. 0.5%. That would be 0.5%. Okay, so I got 5 bonus TRX just for signing up and joining. Huh. Okay. That's pretty cool. Get a little kickback just for joining. Yeah, so I'm gonna be in this one. Again, I'll have the link below the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, do all that fun stuff. Trying to hit that 1,000, that elusive 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you can, subscribe, and I'll try to keep y'all up to date on what I'm doing. But yeah, Bank of Tron. Let's roll with it, see how we do. I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Bye bye bye. Adios.